All right, y'all, going to make my protein coffee. I'm back on the iced coffee kick, which is really helping my protein levels. This week, I bought the Core Power Elite, 42 grams of protein. We love that. It definitely helps me meet my protein goal, which is at least 130. And I honestly am hitting like more like 150 every day. So that's awesome. So I'm gonna pour that into my cup and then follow with my double espresso pod. Yes. And then I just try to fit as much of the shake in as I can, and I'll drink whatever's left over to make sure I'm getting the full protein. It's just a couple of sips. Also, I'm working on habit stacking. Have y'all heard of this trend on TikTok where you take one habit that you already are doing religiously and you add a habit that you want to start and you do them at the same time? So it might be like doing mouthwash while you condition your hair, or whitening your teeth while you're taking your nightly bath, something like that. So what I've been doing is taking vitamins, a multivitamin, while I do my coffee. So I leave it right here, literally sitting on top of my coffee maker. So it reminds me every day to take these. This video is sponsored by Ritual. So thank you, Ritual, for working with me on this and helping me meet one of my New Year's resolutions, which is really focusing on overall health, filling in those needs that I haven't met in the past. I'm not a vitamins supplement girly. I currently have been taking nothing before using the multivitamin by Ritual. I know people are like, look at what you need. You can go to the doctor. You can do all these things. I just needed somewhere easy to start because January can be really overwhelming starting all of these new ideas and resolutions. So we're starting simple. A multivitamin. This is the Essential for Women by Ritual. It's for 18 and up. You take 2 a day. They're these really cute little pills. Like, is that not the most aesthetic pill you've ever seen? So cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my 2 for the day. One thing I really like is that if you don't love Ritual, you can get your money back. And like, if you don't love the first 30 days, you can get your money back. No harm, no foul. Speaking of money, we know we're on a budget. I'm on a budget. I'm tracking my budget. And they were able to give me 40% off. 40% off. Thank you, Ritual. We love that for your first month. So you get to try it 40% off. And if you don't love it, it didn't cost you a dime. So definitely worth trying in my opinion. The ingredients also, like their entire supplement chain is traceable. So you can see where every single thing came from in the entire pill, which I think is nice because we all know how the food industry and the health industry can sometimes be deceiving. So I really love the transparency here with Ritual. I'm gonna go ahead and take these real quick. All right, that's done. I also love that they're like that jelly material because they just go down so easy. I'm like not a bad pill taker, but when they're all chalky, ugh, no thank you. So big fan of that. They also gave me a QR code. We're fancy up in here, so scan the QR code if you want, or I'll leave the link for you down below. We're working on our steps. We're working on our workouts. I feel like it just fits in seamlessly. So click the link, or you can use my code LouiseLane40 at checkout to get your first month at 40% off. And again, 30-day guarantee. If you don't love it, you get your money back. So definitely worth a try in my opinion. If it fits into your budget, make it fit into your budget. If you want it, no overspending this month. We're doing good. We're doing good on the budget. I'll update y'all that on that soon. But let's pop over, grab what I'm bringing for lunch, and we're off to work. Okay, lunchbox for the day. I made this last night. It is not gonna look good from this angle. I'm so sorry. This is a Kevin's like beef and gravy situation, and I did half jasmine rice, half cauliflower rice, and I seasoned the rice with a little soy sauce. This isn't necessarily like an Asian inspired meal. It's like steak and gravy, but I just feel like that soy sauce like seasons rice better and like salts it better than just salt. I don't know, give it a go and let me know what you think. So I ate this last night for dinner and then packed the rest for lunch. So I'm bringing that with me. Also packing a seltzer, still on the polar kick. I seriously think these are the best seltzers. I have a girl who drinks seltzer multiple a day, every day for the last, who even knows how long, 5+ years. Huge polar fan. And then I also am bringing a yogurt. Again, we got protein goals, and this is my absolute favorite. Light and Fit strawberry cheesecake, 80 calories, 12 protein. Cannot beat that macros, those macros. Cannot talk this morning. I need to go back to sleep. We have the protein coffee here. This cup was actually made by one of my friend's daughters. I'll see if she still sells them, but if not, you can just get them on Etsy. It's like vinyl put on there. Hi, Hachi. Do you love the cheetah print? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna pack up lunch. We're gonna head to the office. Today we're getting... to bring my camera in, so I'm on my phone, but eating the meal, I know it doesn't look like that delicious, but it's seriously so good. I love this one. Definitely be eating this again. I believe it's a little under 500 calories and about 36 grams of protein. So enjoying this. I'm gonna have a yogurt in a little bit. I kind of pre-tracked dinner loosely. I'm gonna do some burrito bowls, so I can also have that for tomorrow's lunch as well. And then I need another couple hundred calories, so I'm gonna decide where I should get that. I need just a little bit more protein, probably like 15 more grams, but I have about 300 calories, so we'll figure out where the day takes us. Okay, y'all, we're officially in the work gym. I have a really cute, like, little workout set on, but I have this little over thing because I just feel like it's cute and a little more comfortable. So this is the fit. About to do an upper body day. I've just decided to do a little Whitney Simmons workout. So she posted this one. You can see it right here. Dumbbell chest press, Arnold press, incline, rainbow front raise. I'll have to watch the video for that. And then superset that with grip skull crushers, which is that right there. So we're gonna get going and hit upper body. Workout done. My arms are killing me, which is good. Love to hear it, or love to see it, I guess. But yeah, I'm gonna head out. I would love to stay and do a little cardio. Morgan is actually home. He like has a really bad pinched nerve in his like neck, shoulder, and is working from home and in a lot of pain. I'm gonna pick up some of his prescriptions for him, go home, make dinner. So that's the end of today, but we got the workout in, or at least the end of the workout. We got it in, so let's go home and cook some dinner. Okay, y'all, I was gonna cook up some ground beef for this like burrito bowl thing tonight, but honestly, it got a little too late. Well, it's only 5:49, but now I'm like starving and I don't have the patience. So I'm just gonna cook up some of the Tyson blackened chicken strips. Having these on hand has been a huge game changer. I've always loved these, but just making sure I always have them in the freezer has been super helpful. I air fry them for like 8 minutes and they're perfect. I am gonna cook up some rice and I'll just save the leftover. I think I'm gonna put it in a tortilla instead of a bowl. So I have these like larger ones. They're 90 calories. I have just a little bit of lettuce left in this salad bag, sour cream, some hot sauce from Trader Joe's, and I have some salsa too that I might use. But I'm just gonna whip up a burrito and I'll show you how it comes together. People always get on to me about not weighing stuff. I do weigh most things. So 125 grams
is the chicken, and you just weigh it in the form it comes in. So we're weighing it frozen. Also quickly, I just measured out some cottage cheese, 113 grams. This is the one I'm using. You can see 110 grams is 90 calories and 12 protein. I just need a little snack. I would eat this whole thing by itself, but I'm gonna add some tomato. This is just a diced Roma tomato, and I'm gonna add a little balsamic vinegar as well. Just jazz it up a little, you know? Perfect. So I'm gonna do about 80 grams of rice. That's 40. I might just do, that's 65. I feel like that's already too much. This burrito is gonna be so packed. I'm gonna put as much of the chicken that I can fit, but again, I kind of want it to close, and I'll just put everything else on the side. So I don't think a lot of this chicken is gonna fit. Probably about half of what I made. It's gonna be one fat burrito. Throw in some tomato. This is where I feel like we're gonna struggle, is the lettuce. I'm gonna go ahead with the taco sauce right on the burrito, and I might dip it with the sour cream. And then I'm just gonna weigh out a little sour cream for dipping on the side for about 30 grams. 34. Plenty. Ooh, that sauce is spicy. Okay, I need to do the dishes. I also really need to shower, but I'm trying to edit the night that I film so I can get more content up, because I edit way faster when I like know what I was thinking while I was filming, if that makes sense. Sometimes if I edit like a week later, I'm like, what was I doing? Like, I don't know. I feel like I just get confused. So anyways, I didn't get to eat my yogurt today at work. I just got distracted. So I'm gonna have the yogurt right now. And then I still do have some calories left over. So I'm thinking might make a little like half sandwich later, just a PB and banana, a little bit of banana, some PB2 on a 45 calorie piece of bread, and it'll be like a little sweet nightcap. I haven't had like dessert in a while, and I feel like that will be perfect. And I already like pre-tracked it, and it fits my day perfectly. So I'm gonna have this, and then whenever I make that sandwich, I will come back and tell you all my final macros for the day. They are looking good for high protein. So I'm really proud of myself. It's becoming so much easier. The more I do it, the easier it becomes. So yay for that. January so far has been a huge win. And yeah, I'm gonna go eat this now. And I'm gonna clean that situation later. Okay, y'all, I'm making me and Morgan both a little nightcap. He's gonna have a similar thing to me. I'm just gonna do one piece of bread, and it's the Sara Lee Delightful, 45 calories. I'm gonna do just a little PB2 for me. Okay, I just tablespoon measured the peanut butter and then tried to split it 3 ways evenly. And I'm gonna do 60 grams of banana for me. And then on Morgan's, I'm gonna add a little bit of honey as well. Let's close out this video by going through my app. I'm still using the Lose It app. I tried to switch to the Grounds app, which is by Buff Bunny, but I was struggling because
you can only see protein per day, not protein per meal, and I really like to see protein per meal. So switch back to Lose It. It's fine. I like it a lot. I suggest the free version. So we have our breakfast, which was my iced coffee. It came out to 232 calories, 42 grams of protein. My lunch was 485 calories and 37 and a half protein. Dinner came out to 546 calories with 44.9, so 45 grams of protein. I had a Greek yogurt, which was 80 calories, 12 protein. I also had a half cup of cottage cheese with the balsamic vinegar and Roma tomato. That half cup was 90 calories and 12 protein. Then to close out the night, I did 2 tablespoons of PB2 for my serving. That's 5 grams of protein. Actually did 60 grams of banana, which is 53 calories. And then 1 slice of the Sara Lee bread for 45 calories. That brings all of my snacks total to 327 for the day. My daily total is 1,590, so I'm about 10 under, but I did take an extra bite of that banana, so we'll call it 10 calories. And the protein is 157.2. So that is my full breakdown. And you can see here kind of the percentages. And here's the calories. All right, we're calling this video a wrap. Don't forget to check out Ritual if you are in the market for a multivitamin. Highly recommend. They have the 40% off right now using my code LouiseLane40 or my link, which I'll leave for you down in the description box below. Remember, you can get your money back if you don't love it. Personally, I'm really liking it. It's easy to swallow, it's easy to remember, and habit stacking is really working for me. So let me know if there's any habits you're stacking lately to try to meet some of your new year, new you resolutions or goals, whatever you want to call them. And I'm looking forward to seeing y'all in the next video. Bye.